Most homeowners believe selling a home is simple. List it, schedule showings, accept an offer. In reality, a successful sale is a structured, data-driven process. Pricing strategy, absorption rates, buyer search behavior, exposure architecture, negotiation, and risk management all determine the final outcome. Today, I'll walk you through what truly happens behind the scenes from listing to possession. Everything begins with pricing. And pricing is not opinion. We analyze absorption rates, how quickly homes in your price range are selling. For example, if 12 homes are active and 3 sell per month, that represents 4 months of inventory. That tells us how competitive your segment is. We review average days on market. If properly positioned homes are selling within 20 days, but higher priced listings sit for 60, that difference represents lost leverage. We also position your property within strong buyer search brackets. Buyers search in ranges. Being correctly placed inside a high-traffic price band increases showing activity immediately. Pricing is strategic placement, not guesswork. Before your home goes live, preparation is critical. Professional photography and video are completed. MLS positioning is written strategically to attract the right buyer pool. Compliance documentation is reviewed. Showing protocols are established. We are not simply listing a property. We are preparing a structured market launch. Once your property launches, exposure is deployed through a multi-channel architecture designed to generate qualified demand. We activate 4 primary distribution pillars. First, professional network distribution. Your listing enters MLS and feeds through the IDX system to thousands of realtor websites, triggering alerts to agents and their active buyers. Second, buyer database deployment. Your property is broadcast through internal CRM systems to qualified prospects already searching within your price band and neighborhood. Third, digital visibility campaigns. Targeted promotion through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok expands reach beyond passive MLS traffic. Fourth, search and portal syndication. Your listing feeds into major consumer real estate platforms and classified channels where applicable, increasing discoverability. Serious marketing is layered. It is coordinated exposure across structured demand channels. After launch, we monitor key indicators. Showing volume, buyer feedback patterns, competing inventory entering your price band, price adjustments within your segment, days on market trends. If showings are strong but offers are not materializing, that may signal price sensitivity. If activity is limited, the market may be indicating overpricing or increased competition. We interpret data carefully. The first 14 to 21 days are critical, as that is when the highest concentration of motivated buyers is watching. When offers arrive, the strongest offer is not always the highest price. We evaluate deposit strength, financing reliability, inspection terms, possession timing, and overall risk exposure. In multiple offer situations, structure matters. In single offer scenarios, negotiation strategy protects your leverage. The objective is not simply to accept an offer, but to maximize net return while minimizing risk. Once an offer is accepted, the conditional period begins. Inspections are coordinated. Financing approvals are tracked. Documents are reviewed. Amendments are structured when necessary. This is where transactions can fail without careful oversight. Our goal is to guide the transaction smoothly to firm status. When conditions are removed, the sale becomes firm. We coordinate with legal offices, confirm deposits, monitor closing timelines, and prepare for possession. On possession day, funds transfer securely and keys are released. From listing to closing, dozens of coordinated steps occur behind the scenes. A successful sale is not luck. It is structure, positioning, exposure, negotiation, and disciplined execution working together. If you would like to understand how your property fits within today's market conditions, I would be happy to provide a strategic market assessment. Because in real estate, clarity creates confidence.